Hey everyone, what's up? My name is Tasha, also known as @itstashi, and today I'm going to be showing you how I get my everyday makeup look using some of my favorite products from Frankierosecosmetics. These days I'm spending most of my time at home, and whenever I need a little bit of a beauty pick-me-up, this is definitely my go-to look. The brows are snatched, very natural eyes, and the skin is just so beautiful and glowy. Let's go ahead and jump right into the video. Starting off with the brows, I'm going to be taking the brow defining pencil in the color dark brown, and I especially love how angled and precise the actual product is. It makes it really easy to apply to your brows, and the product itself is actually really soft, so that makes it nice to blend out and doesn't look harsh on your brows. Moving on to the complexion, so I am going to prime and prep my face using the Prime Addiction Face Primer. You only need a pea-sized amount to prep the entire face, and it'll give you such a smooth and silky base before our foundation. And this guy retails for $42. Next, we have the iconic Matte Perfection Foundation. This foundation has a soft matte finish and a medium to full buildable coverage. I'm using the shade Olive, and Frankie Rose has beauty advisors on their website to assist you with any color matching. This foundation is water-based and oil-free, which makes it great for all skin types, and it retails for $36. Now I'm going to go into the 3-shade bronze palette. I'm going to pick up the shade Sunkissed to warm up the perimeters of my face and just to give it a little bit more color. I'm going to pick up the same color, but I'm going to take it on an eyeshadow brush instead and lightly dust it into my crease just to give my lids a little bit more depth. Such a versatile palette to put on your face and your lids. Then I'm going to pick up Starburst and apply this all over the cheeks. This is such a beautiful blush color, and it also has a little bit of a shimmer in it, so it gives your skin a beautiful highlight. I'm going in to the 3-shade highlighting palette this time. I'm taking the color Smitten and placing it on the highest point of my brow bone and the inner corners of my eyes just to give it a little bit more of a highlight. And I love how it's not chunky or glittery, it just makes you look so sun-kissed. Finishing off the eyes with the Vibrant Volume Mascara. I especially love this for my short eyelashes that tend to go down because the formula isn't too heavy, so it doesn't weigh it down, and I really love how intensely black the color is. To finish off the look, I'm using the lipstick in the shade Hipster, and this guy retails for $18. I'm just gonna dab it on to the lips to give it a much more soft look, and I just love how the color is like my natural lip color, but better. And that is it. We are finished with the entire look. It literally only took me 5 minutes. So I really hope that you guys enjoyed my everyday natural makeup tutorial. Make sure to check down below to see all of the Frankie Rose cosmetic products that I use to achieve my everyday look. Thank you so much for tuning in for today's video. I hope all of you are staying safe and healthy, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.